Good morning, beautiful soul. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold for a moment and exhale gently. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to relax, and your mind to soften. Let your body settle into stillness as you arrive fully in this moment. Take another deep inhale and exhale slowly. With each breath, feel tension melting away. Feel your energy becoming lighter, clearer, and more open. Now, gently bring to mind one thing you want to manifest today or in your life. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Notice how it looks, how it feels, and the emotion it brings you. Imagine it already done, already yours. Let gratitude rise within you as if your manifestation has already arrived. Repeat silently after me. I am aligned with abundance. Good things flow to me naturally. I am worthy of my desires. What I seek is seeking me. Feel these affirmations sinking deep into your energy. Allow them to shape the vibration you carry into your day. Now imagine a warm, radiant light above your head, slowly pouring down through your body. This light fills you with confidence, clarity, and calmness. It activates your inner power and draws your desires toward you with ease. Take one final deep breath in. Exhale gently, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Step into your day knowing you are supported, guided, and capable of manifesting everything you desire.